Ladies and gentlemen, let's start to open Microsoft project. Go to your app or your program file, and after that you can find this interface. First of all, we have a lot of templates as you see here. We will not use it now. We'll go to blank project and just click on it. You can find this is the interface. It consists of quick access toolbar at the top of your page or your window, contain save, contain customize quick access toolbar. If you make a click on it, you can find new, open, save as. This is the new if you need to open or to create new document. Same if you need to close this not to be appeared in quick access toolbar, just click again on it and it will be disappeared. After that you can find some tabs. File tab, this is the first one. Task, we are inside it, and resources, report, project, view, and etc. Okay, this is one. Let's return to task. First of the task you can find this which called open. Okay, on the left side you can find Gantt chart. This is in view. So we are in Gantt chart view and we will work in this Gantt chart view. They write Gantt chart. You can use calendar. You can find right on the left side calendar. You can use network diagram if there is a network diagram. And let's return it again to Gantt chart. Okay, we have here a timeline. A timeline, its line contain the start of the project and the end of the project. Depending on the tasks start and finish, the first task start, it will be the start of the project, and the last task finish, it will be the end of the project. After that, we can say this page it consists of task note and task name, duration, start and finish. This is the most important fields you must to know. Each column it's describe a task for description for the task. First of all, if we can say I have a task A. Okay, task note, if you write in it, manual scheduled, auto scheduled, but we will mention future lecture. Okay, duration, this is the duration. You can say it's 1 day and just enter. You write it by this way, or you can write it 2 day, just a day, and it will be written to be 2 days. And for example, you can say 1 month, just write MON and it will be 1 month, or 1 hour, it will be contain 1 hour. It can be 2 hour, it will be written directly 2 hours, so no problem for this. Second, you have a start. The start of this task can be this day, okay, and the end it will be at the same day because this is 2 hours. If you write it 2 days, this is will be modified directly, the finish date. If we write, for example, 3 days, it will be modified directly. Okay, and this is the task name. Whatever the task, you can write here whatever you like. This is, we can say, first task.